Hi everyone, welcome to another amazing recipe, and today we will see how to make a delicious grilled chicken avocado salad that's packed with protein, vitamins and healthy fats. Also, this salad is low in carb and keto friendly, and therefore it's an ideal salad recipe for those who are on a weight loss diet. So let's see how to make this healthy and delicious salad recipe. So for my grilled chicken salad, I'll be using one chicken breast, and I have trimmed and flattened it slightly so that it's even from all sides and hence can be grilled well. And now we'll season the breast with some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, around 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs, few drops of lime juice, and lastly half teaspoon of olive oil. We'll now mix and rub all these seasonings on both the sides of the chicken breast. And we will let the chicken breast marinate for at least half an hour. And here comes our superfood avocado, which is a good source of nutrients, healthy fats and fiber. They also contain anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds which help reduce heart disease risk. So after slicing the avocado into half, we will scoop out the flesh with the help of a spoon. And now I'm going to slice the avocado into medium portions like this. We'll keep the sliced avocados aside. Next, in this bowl I have taken some green lettuce and iceberg lettuce which has been roughly chopped, and now into this we will add some more colorful crunchy veggies. Here goes some chopped English cucumber, chopped tomatoes, some sliced onions, red and yellow bell peppers cut into medium chunks, and the sliced avocados. And now we shall prepare a flavorful salad dressing. For that we'll take a bowl, and into it we will add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. For seasoning we'll add some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, then goes the juice of half a lime. And to add some fresh flavor to the salad, we'll add some chopped cilantro. We'll mix this well, and our flavorful salad dressing is ready. We'll keep this aside for a moment. And now we shall grill the chicken breast. For that I will lightly grease my cast iron grill pan, and when the pan is hot enough, we will place the marinated chicken breast on medium flame. We will grill for about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll flip the chicken breast now and grill the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes or until it's cooked through. In between, we'll brush the chicken breast with the leftover marination sauce so that the chicken breast doesn't dries out in the grilling process. And by now the chicken breast is cooked and grilled well from both the sides. So we'll take it off and let it cool down slightly. And just before serving our salad, we will pour the salad dressing which we had prepared earlier. And now we need to toss the salad really well for at least 1 to 2 minutes until the salad dressing is well combined with the veggies. And this step of pouring the dressing and tossing the salad should be done just before you are about to serve your salad so that the salad doesn't turn soggy. Alright, tossing is done, and here goes our low carb chicken and avocado salad. Now you can slice the grilled chicken breast and mix it with the salad. But I am going to place the grilled chicken breast besides the salad on a bed of lettuce and serve my salad in this way. So friends, do try this healthy and delicious keto-friendly grilled chicken avocado salad. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks and follow my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.